guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be playing Subwaysurfers. So I don't know, I'm probably only going to do a few rounds, so let's do it. Have the game muted so you guys can hear me. I have to do that to a lot of my games, because in a lot of my games, you guys can't hear me when I play. So Cross the Road is kind of hard to play, because you guys can absolutely not hear me. So yeah. Okay, gotta do this. Jump boost. I don't know why I did that. Why did I do that? What, Rachel?
They're trying a vanilla flavored of those little cookies that we
Pockies?
No, of that.
Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry. My sister. She's still in the room while I'm making my video. She always interrupts, things when I'm in somewhere and have the door closed. What she does is like, hey, Olivia, I need something this. I need something that. I need to do this. I need to do that. So it'll only take me a minute. I'm like, what the crap? Like, why?
Because you never do it.
Well, so you just do it all the time. I swear she does. She does. Literally. Oh, I already made it back. I still haven't beaten my score yet. Gosh. Or am I on somebody else's score? I have a pretty big score. I have no idea, to be honest. Okay. This is the hard part. Okay, it's over. Yay. Ooh. Okay. I'm happy I'm surviving. Wee. Doot, doot, doot. Doot. Glue. Wee. No! Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I was so close. But I didn't beat my... What is this? One score boost. Activate Alpha Fund to increase your multiplier. Okay. How do you activate it? Activate! Oh, right, this game also. 7 plus. No. What? I didn't activate it. What? Dang it! I have no idea. I'm making this at 1. Hey Rachel, I have a question. This morning, did you wake me up to show me something?
Yeah.
What was it?
What?
I don't remember. I did look, but I don't remember. Okay.
I downloaded games to do it.
Was it pictures of you as other people?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how did I know that? I thought it was just a dream. Literally, life is so weird sometimes. It's creepy. Doot, 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 doot. No! There's no way that happened! Dang it, okay. Last time. Because these can get very long. I'll also make a Minecraft video today. So, yeah. I did do a... My mom's leaving. I don't know why. Where are you going, Mom? Okay. 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 Hopefully soon I'll beg and beg and beg for someone to give me a camera so I can record my face. easier. I need one so bad. So bad. But guess what? I don't have one.
There's another one I want to show you.
Hold on, I'm in a park zone. Okay, this is bad. This is turning out bad. Oh wait, never mind. I don't want those boots. Those boots are so hard to use. Go woo, 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 woo. Oh my gosh, I did not know what I was doing just now. Hold on. Let me die first. Let me end this video. Oh my gosh. Jump 2 trains? Oh, I think I missed it on. Okay, still haven't died yet. 10 stockings, 2 more. Oh, okay, I died. Sorry this video was short. I bet it was like 5 minutes. But that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video with Subway Surfers. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!